Welcome to Nolan's Kitchen, episode number 1. So this is what we're doing tonight. Fish piccata. I got pollock fish with a piccata sauce with a angel hair pasta. So this is a good meal where it's just you and your lady. You know what I'm saying? You want to do something that's quick. It has a more mature type of flavor to it. It uses a little bit of white wine as well. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of pepper. You don't wanna really over season it. I like my stuff heavily seasoned, but on this dish, I kinda take it easy because you want the lemon butter sauce to be the main attraction. Hit it with a little bit of salt. Hit it with a little bit of garlic powder. If y'all haven't noticed by now, I really don't do too much measuring. Some recipes I do, but like stuff I've been cooking for a long time, I really don't measure it. Got me a little new toy. We're gonna see how it works. I like using olive oil. You can use pretty much any oil, coconut oil, olive oil. But you just want to hit it just a little bit, just not a lot, so it won't stick. Seems like it's about ready. Yeah, man. So my grandmama is the one who taught me how to cook. Just watching her during the holidays. You know, I would always ask, hey, can I help? And she would say, hey, you just need to watch for now. And so I was, for about 3 years, all I did was just watch her cook. Then she would introduce and say, hey, crack them eggs over there. I crack an egg and throw it in whatever she told me to do it in. Then she'd say, hey, add a little milk to that. Before you know it, I was cooking whole meals, All right, that's it right there. That's it. Go ahead.
So I'm supposed to, with this?
Yeah.
Ooh, I see that butter sauce too. I ain't know we had a noodle right now. But it looks so good. Bro. Had to hit. That's so good.
That's what's up.
I knew when that butter sauce went on there, I knew what time it was.
Say the butter sauce, it make it pop. It'll be your plate. I feel you want it.
Oh, that's it, y'all.
Yeah. Look, this is first episode of Nolan's Kitchen, and so again, we made the fish piccata. You got angel hair noodles as well as the lemon butter sauce.
That's so good.
We done. Signing off.